Welcome back to Glad Makeover TV. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. As for me, I'm doing perfectly fine. I greet you all according to your time. I greet you all according to the time you see this video. So now, I always tell you people, while you are doing your makeup, first you use eyebrow brush to brush your eyebrow. As in, you need to brush it for the hair. For those of you that has plenty hair there. For me, I don't have much. And after I shave, you will not see it that much. So for those of you that have hair very well, that brush is very necessary for you. So now I'm drawing my eyebrow. You see, when you are drawing it, first is the down. No matter how you are professional, you are not professional, the first line that you draw is the down one. Just draw it first. Then is the down one that you use to calculate the upper one. You see the way I draw it now. So if you want to still draw another pattern, please drop comment at the comment section. So because this pattern, I redraw this pattern again because somebody DM me in my Instagram page that the way I draw my eyebrow, that she wants me to make another video. I wanted to make it live video, but I don't just have the chance. But maybe by special grace of God, before this weekend, we'll do a live video because she needed the live video for more explanation. You see, after I draw the down line, then I draw the upper line, then I now shade inside. So this is all. I did not fast the video. I did not put it in speed just for you to understand how I get my eyebrow. So now I'm using concealer to concealer my eye, the eyebrow that I draw before. So now see the way I use my concealer. Very easy. I don't know why makeup is still difficult for some people. Just have patience. Watch the video carefully. Do your practicing. Definitely you will get it. You see it? This is how I use my concealer. You see the way I hold my concealer brush. See the way I hold the brush. So if you don't even hold your own brush this way, you can hold it in another way. It all depends on you. See the way I draw it. Very, very simple. Yeah. So please, if you watch my video and you like it, please thumbs up for me. Thumbs up for your girl, please. I'm begging. If you watch the video too, you like it, just share the video out. I'm begging you all in the name of God, please share the video. There are still a lot of women out there that does not know how to draw this eyebrow, that don't know how to do makeup, that does not know how to tie hair tie, which is gele. So please, anytime you see my video, the hair tie, you like it, share it out. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now I just put a little bit of concealer, or you can still use foundation. In this part, you can use foundation, you can use foundation, you can use, what is it called? Concealer to put to use it to. Before you use your eyeshadow, you can use your concealer, you can use your foundation just to make it strong. The reason why you use your concealer or you use your normal foundation for makeup for that place is because most especially this summer, I don't know, most especially when there is heat, if you use those things there before you apply your eyeshadow will be like that. Even the sweat enter, it will not remove, it will still be there. That is the main reason. That is the main reason why using concealer or foundation to do that place before applying your eyeshadow. Now I'm applying my eyeshadow. I was little bit, I don't know if you can see it because I need the sharp color. I don't know if I will use dark color, the color that will be okay for anybody that want to learn. But later I just decided, okay, let me use sharp color. So the color I used there was sharp color. Yeah, it's because it's video. In case if you're applying yours, you just know the one to use. Yeah, see it. So now see the way you see the way I'm doing this my eyelash. You know, if you have eyelash, if you remove it from the thing that they brought it from, it like it not straight. So when you are trying to paste it in the place that you suppose apply your eyelash, it will not you will not get it right. So that is why I try to fold it so that you will, when I fold it and place it instantly to enter, it would just be once. It will not waste time while you are fixing it. It will not give you problem, to not give you stress. You understand? So now the reason for eyeliner, why eyeliner is very important while you are applying your makeup, the eyeliner, so that you will place your eyelash on top of your, oh no, you will place your you will place your eyelash on top of your eyeliner. That is how you do it. I just give you example where I give you that eyelash before. I just give example how uh, I do it, because why I show that eyelash before, I want to apply the gum for it. So I just decide to show you people before applying it. Then I paste it in one corner, because it will take like 1 or 2 minutes before you don't just put the gum and instantly place it on your face. No, on the right place. No, you leave it for like a minute or 2 seconds. Okay, see the way I apply my eyelash. I will do this video in separate video though. I will do a separate video for the eyelash another time. Just how to fix eyelash, I will do the video separate. You see it, if you place your eyeliner before applying your eyelash, it's very easy. It's very easy for you to not disturb you. But if you did not place your, if you not put eyeliner before placing your this thing, it will not gum very well. Okay, now you see the eyelash that I fixed before, I use my hand to place it. But now you see this one, I use eyeliner something, the eyelash material, that something that you can use as a professional. You don't need to use your hand. But where I use my hand in the first one, I use my hand so that some people said, no, I don't know how to use this thing, it's better for me to use my hand. Some people will say, no, I prefer using that thing, I don't want to do this. Okay, that is why I just bring the two idea now, so that you see it's the same thing. You can use that hand, you use your hand to fix your eyelashes, or you can use this something to fix your eyelash. It depends. It does not really matter. After you just paste it on that line that you draw, the next thing is just for you to do that thing to touch it inside, and because it's on top of your May eyelashes, your natural one. So when you are doing it, when you are placing it, don't place it in the same line. Paste it on top of your natural one that God gave to you. Paste it on top of it. You know, your eyeliner is not really the same thing with your natural one. Is the eyeliner, you draw your eyeliner on top of your natural eyelash. So that is the place you will paste your eyelash, so that it will not affect your natural one. Maybe without artificial eyelashes, you can still go at with your natural one. But if you normally paste it inside, while you are going at, you will not have hair there again, your natural eyelash again. That is the main reason. So now have explained that part, but definitely I will still do another video. You see, the last time I was telling you guys about foundation, me myself, I order a foundation to sell. I do sell a foundation though. So the ones that I use for customers, or the one that I sell, sometimes I said, okay, because somebody DM me and asked me, please, madam, I ordered I have a foundation that is lighter than me. How will I do it? Should I throw it away? I said, no, don't throw it away. See what you will do. Either you mix your lighter foundation with dark one for you to see major use of it, or you just apply a little. Don't apply it plenty. Then you will not use your finishing powder. You will use dark one. Dark finishing powder. That is what you will use. So now I have applied my lipstick. I've applied everything. This is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching my video. May God richly bless you all. If you don't still understand how I explain my video, just DM me, and the part you don't understand